Hello and welcome to Tech Tuesday. My name's Nicole and I'm the Digital Branch Manager here at the Kenton County Public Library. Today we're going to take a few minutes and talk about the library's mobile app. It's free to download from the Google Play Store and from the App Store for iOS devices. The first thing we're going to check out is our mobile checkout. It's pretty new. We've had it for about 3 or 4 weeks. What mobile checkout can do is if you're only checking out books, it eliminates the extra stop at the desk where you might normally get your items checked out for you. With self-checkout in the app, it will check out your item via the app, so you won't have to stop at the desk. You can just check your own items out and then go on your way. If you're unsure whether or not the item checked out, you can look at your account and view your checkouts. And there you see it's checked out. If you prefer to stop at the desk, or if you have DVDs or CDs or something else that has a security case on it and you need to stop at the circulation desk before you leave, we've made it easier for you. You can add your library card into the app. That way you'll never be without your card as long as you have your phone. Sometimes it can be a struggle to find a card in your wallet amongst all the other cards. So in the app you can add yourself. You can also add family members. So you can have yourself or your children or your spouse on your app. That way when you go to check out, everyone can check out their own items on their own card and be responsible for them. When you go to check out, you can just have the staff member scan this barcode and they will check out your items for you. Again, you can go to view my checkouts in the app. If you have something that you think is coming due, we will contact you via your preferred contact method of text or email. So if you know you have something that needs to be renewed, you can go into the app and select the item and renew it, and it will renew your item for you. Again, you can look at all your checkouts. Normally, I have a lot of items checked out. This is just my test account, so I don't have as much checked out on it. I think I do have one hold. Oh, I have 2 holds. Treasure Island and My Brigadista Year. If you decide that you don't want this item on hold anymore, you can go in and you can cancel the hold. You can also freeze or unfreeze the hold. For instance, if you're going out of town or you have too much other stuff to read, you can freeze that hold and then unfreeze it when you're ready to pick it up. For this one, I decided I don't want to read that. I'm going to cancel it. So I've canceled my hold on that one. And you know what? I don't think I want Treasure Island either. So I'm going to go in and cancel that hold. Now you'll see that I don't have any items on hold. Within the app, you can also select to pay my fines. This will launch a page of the library's catalog where you'll have to log in one more time if you want to pay fines. Generally, most things are within the app, but that's one that isn't. So that's everything you can do in your account. I'm going to jump down to search the catalog. So in here, let's look up Treasure Island again. I've changed my mind. And I think I want it. So this is a keyword search, which brings up a lot of results. Once I find the item that I'm interested in, I'm going to request that item. Down at the bottom, you'll see an arrow. You can tap the arrow. You can select the branch where you'd like to pick it up and tap request item. Now it's on hold for me. If you've ever been out at a bookstore or at a friend's house and you see a book that you'd like to read, we have a great way that's within the app. You can check our collection and see if we own it. So I'm going to scan ISBN of this book that I have here to see if the library owns it. And they do own it, and I'm going to request it. Now you can go back and look at your account and view your holds. And if you think you aren't going to be able to check it out when it comes in, you can freeze your hold, which basically just suspends it. And when you're ready to pick it up, you unfreeze it. One additional feature that we have in Search the Catalog is you can look at our newly ordered items. We have a list of what's available, including fiction and nonfiction. Sometimes you just don't know what you want to read next, and so this can give you a great place to start. Again, you can search various formats. If you're new to the area, or if you only go to a certain branch, you can find the address of our branches and also the hours. We're working on getting those hours updated since we had to change our hours. Again, when you go to check out, there's your library card. The circulation clerk can scan your card via the app, and they won't have to touch your phone. You can just hold it up and they can scan it. This is useful if you're checking out anything that's in a locked box. We also have all of our events on here. Currently, all of our events are online. But if you see something that you're interested in, for instance, you want to create a resume, you can look at it, you can add it to your calendar. Some of our courses require registration. For instance, this one requires registration, so you can tap on that and then you just add in your name and your phone number and submit it, and you'll be registered. And when it's time to enter the class, whoever's running the Zoom class will let you in. You'll also receive a reminder about it. You can add it to your calendar as well. Down at the bottom of the app, we have 3 easy ways to get in touch with us. You can call, email, or you can also look at our social media. Finally, we have links to our digital downloads. These links will open up the service in your browser, and you can do that, and it's pretty easy to use that way, but I really recommend downloading the apps for these services, especially the Libby app. In the Libby app, you can access ebooks and audiobooks for yourself and your family, and they look really great. They sound really great. If you aren't ready to come back into the library yet, you can use one of the apps to access our items. If you're looking for videos and music, those are available in Hoopla. In Hoopla, all of our items are simultaneously available to as many users that want to check it out. So in Overdrive, it works more like the traditional library where it's one copy and one user. But in Hoopla, as many people who are interested can check it out at the same time. So I'm going to borrow Hamilton. It says I'm going to check it out for 7 days. And it's super simple. You can have up to 20 items checked out per month in Hoopla. And in Libby, you can have 30 items checked out at a time. It's great with the upcoming school year. You might need some additional resources to supplement what's going on with your favorite student. So this is a great way to do that. And again, I hope you all will download all 3 of our apps that we recommend. The Kenton County Library app, which you can find by searching Kenton County Library. The Overdrive app, which is more commonly known as Libby for ebooks and audiobooks, and Hoopla for ebooks, audiobooks, video, and music. If you have any questions, you can email me at frilling@kentonlibrary.org or call the library, and any staff member should be able to assist you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.